beautiful morning. Taking Dino out for a little walk. Doing a little test run on the van here.
Woman, I drift like smoke through desert towns. Never hang my boots too long. Got a map full of places, but no place to call home. Don't ask me where I laid my head or how long I plan to stay. I'm chasing something I ain't found yet, so I keep on rolling away. Rolling stone hard, that's my style. Don't fall for me, don't even try. I'll be gone before I say goodbye. Hey darling, don't worry about the...
Yeah. About to get heading back. But I wanted to say one thing. This is a definite for vanners. Look up one of these, man. This van. You can get them on Temu or AliExpress, whatever. I think like, I can't even remember. Probably $5 to $20, somewhere in there. Which I'm going to rewire it and run the wire down and behind the dash, so I just have the switch. That's it. I just got this here for temporary right now, but plus these things, they come right out. Move them around, you know what I mean? You can have both of them hitting you if you want. Man, it's in these hot days in the summer, it's helped big time. Big time. If you don't have AC, that's for sure. Plus I got this on top, so that's covering my fan up top there right now. But yeah, definitely a lifesaver. Hey puppy, even a puppy likes it. Give them some fresh air. And it just sticks, it's got double-sided tape there, so if you ever want to take it off and change your mind, it's not permanent. But yeah, a lot of ideas. If you just want it for the summer, freaking hook it down right on this thing or something, I don't know. But yeah. Gotta get a flash on this camera. Okay, you ready to go? Alright, let's go. Day in the life of a vanner. Let's roll.
Hey darling, don't worry about the way I roll. I'm gone like dust on an open road.
Anybody's looking to get a van, wondering about vans, love vans, not sure if they want one, wondering if I'm looking for anyone. Man, I gotta get light on this camera.
Played my tunes for Nick nickels and dimes. Every town's got a story to tell, but I never stick around long enough to dwell. I'm a traveling man, yes, that's what I am. I ride the road all day and night. No ties to bind, no end in sight. Just chasing the sun till it fades from sight. Rolling stone hard, that's my style. Don't fall for me, don't even try. I'll be gone before I say goodbye. Rolling stone.
Okay, van fam. We're underneath the van here today. And we're going to be removing this exhaust pipe. Disconnect it from the headers here. And the goal is that we're going to bring this pipe, we're going to move it on this side of the leaf spring attachment there. So it's on this side right now, it's going to be on this side. Gotta move it over. So we're going to have to cut it somewhere here, shorten it. It's about a good foot for my measurements. But we'll cut it, then we'll bring it back here, and then we'll line it up to where we're going to bring it out, mark it, cut it again. And then I can install my traction bars in the back here too. Give way for more room. Plus it gives me a chance to clean up these pipes, these exhaust tips. The muffler is supposed to be a chrome muffler, so I'm gonna see if I can fix that up a bit. And we got these 9/16 bolts right there, 3 of them on each side. And then I got proper hangers to put on, nice professional hangers. As you can see right now, I just got these stupid wires holding it up. So they're shaking all over the place right now. Okay, so that's gotta get done. I'll be back shortly. Whew. Okay. This is what happens when you're doing things old school way. With wrenches and sockets. But it's coming. The other two came off easy. I still gotta finish undoing them, but they're loose. This one's loose, but every turn is frickin', it's like fighting a frickin' gorilla. But it's coming. Maybe the other side will grab the drill, the impact, and release it that way. Might be a little easier, but whatever. This can be done old school way. Just the same. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, one side is released. The donut in here looks good. So good. Keep that. Alright, gotta cut those wires and she's down. Then I'm gonna clean them up. Do the old cutaroo and shape it up. I might just weld it back together. We shall see. I will be back. Do the other side too. Okay. There we go. They are shortened. There's the piece I cut out. I married it up and it comes out perfectly exactly where I want it. So now I'm just going to clean this part. I started on that one. It's a lot shinier, as you can see, compared to that one. But I got to get some buffing on it. I definitely want to clean it up. I got to still grind this. I don't want to touch it because I just finished welding it. I got to grind that all down nice and smooth. And then I got a clamp I'm going to put over it anyways, just for extra caution on it. And with that one. And then I'll be installing it. So we will be back to show that procedure. But they're shorter and they come out where I wanted them to come out now. So it's just a matter of, like I said, I'm going to sand those, or grind those down. Those weld spots, clean them up, make sure there's no holes in them. If there is, I'll do a little tack on it. If they're good to go, I'll be putting them in. Okay. Good day, let the dogs run. Dino could use a little running around or something. He's feeling a little bit upset this morning. That poor little puppy. Boom. One side is in. Nice new solid clamp on it. Looked up good. I painted the pipes black with some high heat resistant paint. So it's nice and chrome and black. It's solid. Solid. Doesn't move. For now, she's in. She's solid. And I'm going to do the other side now. And then we're going to start it up and listen to it. Make sure my welds turned out good here. We'll see how it goes. Rest is looking good. Ready to go. Okay, I'll be back when I do the other side. I'm going to transfer the tools over. Took out all the old hangers. Disaster. Okay, boys and girls. Job is done. Exhaust is in. There's the new location. Now I'll be able to put in my my traction bars in the back. Okay, that side. We got this side. Start it up. Right on. Good. Okay, little final update on this exhaust system slash traction bars. Yeah, she's got some traction bars now. No more tires spinning. And it's nice and clean underneath here. We got chrome, black pipes. Just gotta do some work on the back zone now. I'm gonna paint this stuff here, the leaves, the axle, not the axle, the drive shaft. This runs great now. It sounds great. There's no more exhaust leakages happening. She's ready to move on to another job, another project. It's in the shadows here, so I don't know how good the camera's going to show it, but definitely get some pics from all around from the back too. We'll go park it somewhere and have a look. And I still have to do, if you remember in the other videos, I have the new brake kits I picked up. I'm gonna grab the rear brakes. I might do that today, because every time I hit the brakes I hear squeaking in the back. So that whole kit back there and the pads are garbage. I might as well just do a whole new spring hardware kit. Basically under $100. That's pretty good. And then of course the shop would probably charge you $300-400. That's why it's worth doing it yourself, folks. Okay. We will definitely be back shortly. Okay, here's a little recap on the mufflers and the piping. Worked out great. Not one leak. It looks good. And you can see I added the traction bars. It's a cool little badass effect. But I noticed on my tailpipe here some strange liquids that look like they were splashing. To discover that my transmission lines, I don't know if you could see it. Anyway, the return from the cooler lines for the transmission is a leak, a bad one. You can see there's the old holes, one of them. So I went and picked up some nice new hoses. Put one in there, just gotta get the clamp on it. I'm gonna replace the other one. I should stop that transmission leak. So it's gonna be good. Get that fixed and out of the way. Well, I'm gonna check around. I know I got a little bit of a coolant leak coming from one of the lines on the heater core. Looks like one of the clamps maybe needs to just be tightened up, so I gotta check that out. And there's still a little bit of a leak on the oil pan. Very minor, but it's there. So I gotta check and see where that might be leaking from. I'm hoping it's valve cover gaskets and not a rear main seal. Well, we'll see. Keep checking it out. Gonna diagnose some little leak issues. But the exhaust is good. solid. There's no vibration in the inside at all, which is beautiful. Feels nice and tight and smooth. There's a nice thundering rumble. So, okay, we'll be back. Okay. New hoses, new clamps. They're tied in there nice. They're away from the headers. I'm gonna go take it for a little test drive and see how it runs. See if it leaks. It looks good though. And we'll be back with a little leak test.